Hi, good morning, Skylifers. This morning is a bleaky morning. I woke up late and I'm 3 minutes late for work. Pretty pissed because of that. I'm still having the breakouts. I don't know what's wrong with my face. I don't know what's wrong with my face. Still have a breakout then. But I'm walking to the office now, and the review from yesterday, we didn't really get to complete it the way we wanted it because we were rushing to go somewhere else and it was raining. So this is us. This is me walking into work. Morning. Morning. Walking into work on a regular day. Here, cool. Oh, I'm serious today. I go do my eyebrow, sort out my ear, because I need to braid my ear or something to it. So I'll see you guys later. Skylife TV.
Skylife
TV.
I'm a baby. Up, straight up.
So I'm leaving work now. This is my co-worker.
No co-worker. Guys, I'm a thing there. Yeah, baby. No matter what the cow thing, you know? Out of that bush. So big up the TV. I will say hi. And I will say Gaza. Up. Wheel. We're gone. Here. Out.
Later.
Look how much I'm baby. So me just smiling.
I'm leaving right now. Kind of leaving a bit late. And I wanted to go and do my hair and do my eyebrows because I need to spruce up myself. Because next week is a very touchy week, so I need to do these things. I'm being so busy. I'm gonna sign out now at the gate. I'm going back to the food place, even though it's me alone. The food it tastes good, I'm carrying something for my mother-in-law, so we're gonna eat that and stuff. Hi. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm at the place. Anyways, we get through and me I go home now. Night I come down and me I go home now, so later. Good morning, Skylife family. Good morning, Skylifers. It's like now 5 minutes to 9. I left the house like 8 o'clock. The driver go everywhere this man. He come like he been bound for me late or something. I don't know, yo. I don't know.
What's up?
Yeah, so I'm at work now. Not sure if I'm going to have much time to vlog this week because I'm pretty busy doing accounts. When it's like the month end, things get really hectic where I have to focus on the numbers and stuff like that. So I will keep up to date with you guys. I'm at work early because I have some reports to take care of and have to get that out of the way. Have inventory, have purchasing, so it's a pretty hectic day, but keep it locked and subscribe so we can build the Skylife family. So this is me signing out and I'm going in the office now. And good morning, people. Good morning. Good day, people. I'm here. I am about to have a meeting with some of my business partners here in Montego Bay. So I am actually waiting on them to get here. I'm at the location already. Only 2 persons here already, so I'm waiting for the other members to get here to start. It's around what time now? Like after 6 to 7. So I'm meeting with the Skylifers, guys, so this is exciting and stuff. So yeah, I'm waiting on them to come here and stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting on. And keep up to date with me. So subscribe to keep up to date. Yeah, and I must have been boring today. But that's how it goes sometimes, and every day things are gonna happen. Exciting stuff. Yeah, so we're on green top today. I like the blouse here. I'm shine on my face, a bump up and stuff. So I'll see you guys later.